M0FXB Hamtech, welcome to my channel. Today we're on the QYT CB-58 and the USB cable for programming. I've plugged the cable in. If we look here, right click Device Manager, and it is saying, if I double click here, that it's not supported by Windows 11, which is what we are using. So I go straight to this program by John Stevens, thank you very much. And let's just run the exe that's down here. It's the top of the list here. So download here. We'll run that. We'll select download unverified. Click the download arrow at the top and then go back and run it. We've run this before, but not on this particular cable. So let's see if it actually works. So we'll go run program. It finds the cable. Now it's found that one. Let me just double check. So we right click again, go to Device Manager, double click ports, and it's a Prolific or PL203TA. So that is the one that has automatically been highlighted. Let's go next. What we'll do, we'll keep the window open and see what we see. So Device Manager, shrink that down and go next. And fingers crossed, when it comes back, we won't have the error. Where is it? There you are. Prolific USB to serial COM14, and job done. And it does say you might have to run it every time you use the cable, but that's fine. It's better than not being able to download and read from the radio. So let's just test that we can read from the radio. I tend to go to Simon the Wizard because he has software there and other modifications for this radio. If you look there, I'll put the link in. So, you know, you've got a few things there. But anyway, click this one and just download the software for now. But the manual is there if you need it. So I just clicked here and we'll go to the zip. Double click where it says CB-58. Or it actually says QB. CB100, double click here. It's quite a straightforward program. It just says English. Okay. I'm going to go next, create shortcut, launch. And it appears, right. Okay, let's move this over here. Now you can't really change the frequencies without using this special hex program, which I will show you. But the first thing we do, we can open up, you know, the channels. We're actually in EU mode, so select the mode you want to be in, and that one also gives you memory mode by the looks of it. But EU, the radio is in EU mode, so that's fine. So we'll click one of the channels. And you can see the different settings that you can change there, look, okay? And it does have tone squelch, and we're going to be having a go at setting up a 10-meter repeater in a minute, which I think we're going to have to use. Let me think now. I may use the memory channel if it's doable. Otherwise, I'll use the hex program and I'll go in and I'll change some of the frequencies, and you definitely can do that. And this one covers between roughly 25 and 30 megahertz. But I'm only interested in the legal channels and the ham band channels and the CB legal channels from the UK. But you can see lots of parameters you can change. High cut. So thank you for now. There's not much you can do with the software if you ask me. You can do the backlight brightness. That's quite good because it is really bright. Squelch level, auto squelch, auto squelch level, gain control, display mode, frequency or channel, you can choose that. Scan type, scan time, squelch hysteresis, don't know what that is. Auto power off, memory modify on, that's the one I'm interested in for doing my 6-meter repeater. Got this funky menu for DTMF. Possibly we're going to need that if we use a repeater. Roger beep menu. Let that one open up. all these different kinds of tones that you can program. That's funky. Let's do the NC one. NC, is that going to open? Another Roger beep type thing. Local message, and that just goes with an error. Okay, just having a little scan around really. Read and write. Password. You can add a password if you want it. Stop people reading your radio. Setting the COM, which we didn't need to do. It just found it, which was good. But yeah, you can set that. It's up there. Close that. Different views. Roger beep. Wholly closed. Cascade. About the CB-30. So I'm running, by the looks of it, firmware. Where is it? CB-100 programming software. Transceiver. Just says version 1. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, and 10 meter repeater programming soon, 7.3.